Alright, so what are the different types of best practices? How many types of best practices are there? Basically, there are two types of best practices. One is the baseline, and one is industry specific. This is the one that's used the most, but you can also use the baseline package. What does the baseline package comprise of? So this baseline best practices is basically a set of best practices that's used in the standard ERP scenarios. Like I said, like intercompany billing or custom rebate processing, or think of like something like third-party order processing, and so on. Your regular ERP scenarios. Industry-specific scenarios are specific to the particular SAP industry solution. Example, think of retail or apparel and footwear solution, or defense, or any of those industry verticals. You have the apparel industry like Nike, Adidas, Reebok, or any of these apparel companies. And SAP already has implemented SAP IS-AFS in these companies like Nike, Adidas, Reebok. And tomorrow, if another apparel company is trying to implement SAP, you can take the industry-specific packages that SAP has already created based on their experience with these companies and implement them as a best practice or a best practice package that can save you time and that can also help you with standardization, meaning if a particular solution, like for example these apparel companies use something like ticketing, value-added services, these are very specific to the apparel industry. And if they're working fine for Nike, Adidas, Reebok, they'll work fine for your company as well if you're doing AFS.